Yes, very good. Water. Then you said land, air. Very good. There are more resources, but all the resources which are there, they are depending upon these main resources: water, land, air. Now, when you talk about land, now land is present on earth. You know that, no? But you know that earth consists of different parts. Yes. So there is a part on which we all live, part of the earth on which we live. It is a thin crust. This thin crust is called as, anybody knows? Ah, very good. This thin crust is called lithosphere. This is our land. On the lithosphere, we will find hills, different kinds of mountains, different kinds of features you will see there. Plants also grow here. So it is the lithosphere on which we live, because earth has other parts also. Like there is a mantle part here, like this part is called mantle. We cannot live there, it's too hot, right? This is mantle. Then again in the center part of the earth also, center part will be even more molten hot. It is called as core. It is from this core only that when there is volcanic eruptions it comes upwards. So we cannot live in the core area. So full earth we are not living. We are living on which part of the earth? Yes, crust part of the earth, that is called as lithosphere. So now we will talk about only lithosphere, because we now know that we are not living in the mantle, we are not living core area. Near the lithosphere, no need a volcano here. Okay. Near the lithosphere, we also have the water. We also have the water. We cannot live without water. So if land is called as lithosphere, then water can be called as, very good. Water can be called as hydrosphere. So in the hydrosphere, there are hydrosphere specific animals also, like fishes, then sea algae, sea birds, sea cucumber, everything will be there here. Now, what about something which we breathe? That is also present here. Yes, very good. Air. Air is there touching the hydrosphere also, touching the lithosphere also. So, what can this be called as? Good. It's called as atmosphere. So, there is lithosphere, there is hydrosphere, there is atmosphere. We depend on these three spheres. That is how life comes about. So, there is a zone. There is zone which we can combine lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere. Together, yes, very good. When you combine together lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, we will get a zone. That zone where life exists is called as biosphere. So, biosphere, what is biosphere? Yes. So bio means life. Actually, bio means life. So that zone where all these three exist, they interact with each other, lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere. That is how life is existing. That zone is called as biosphere. This much is clear for you. So we live in biosphere. We cannot live entirely inside water. We cannot fly in the air always. We cannot live only on the crust area. We have to depend on all these three. All living organisms have to depend on all the three. Then only life will be present. So that zone, yes, that zone is called as a biosphere. Now passing on to the next topic. This chapter actually will not come in the final examinations. This will come as portfolio that I already gave you, and periodic written test I can ask. Okay, so internal examinations it will come. Final exam it won't come. Now we will take air. We will start with air. Air is also called atmosphere. Air composition means what all things are there present in the air. There are some gases in air. Main gas, so many gases are there. Mainly some gases are there. What are they? Good. I got the answer nitrogen. Then you said oxygen. Hmm. Yes, carbon dioxide. Actually, so many gases are there. These are the main gases. Then there is also water vapor. Somebody's mic is on. Can you put it off? When you answer only, you put it on. Okay. Okay, air composition. Air consists of nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor. So many gases are there more than this: helium, hydrogen, carbon monoxide. Like that, so many gases are there. But these are the main ones living things depend upon. Now, talking about the carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide, as you have might have heard, carbon dioxide is very high means something bad will happen. Carb- Very good, very good. If carbon dioxide is very high, what happens is that all the heat will remain on the earth itself because it absorbs the heat, which results in global warming. And that is the situation seen in planets like Venus and Mars. In planets like Venus and Mars, the carbon dioxide is very high. Carbon dioxide concentration is very high. That is about 95 percentage of carbon dioxide is present. Because of that reason, there is no life also in those places. Life cannot exist. Now in Earth also some of our activities can lead to carbon dioxide formation. What are our activities that will release carbon dioxide into air? Very good. Our activities like deforestation. Deforestation means cutting of wood, cutting trees. Any other activities which can release carbon dioxide? Huh? Yes? Ah, very good. Industries, that is, industries and automobiles and all, they are pollution. They release gas, carbon dioxide gas. Then, any other activity of ours? Uh, okay, carbon dioxide is there means greenhouse effect will be there. But you know what is producing carbon dioxide on earth? One is deforestation, one is industries, they lead to pollution. Another is burning. When you burn the wood or burn fuel, burning, yes, yes, it's also called combustion. So through combustion also carbon dioxide will come to the earth. Another is you breathe out, no? Like this is you, suppose. You take in which gas? You breathe in? Very, very good. But then you breathe out what? Very, very good. So see, in this way also carbon dioxide can come into the air. That is by breathing out, which you can write it as respiration. So these are the activities by which carbon dioxide is present on our earth. In the atmosphere it is present. But still, despite all these activities also, the percentage of carbon dioxide on earth is less. On earth is not like Venus and Mars. It is only 0.04%. This much carbon dioxide is only there. Even if you are releasing so much of carbon dioxide, this much is only there on earth. So what might be the reason why carbon dioxide is not found much on earth? Very good. Yes, very good. Reason for less carbon dioxide. The reason is like this. First, plants are there. Plants are our heroes, right? So plants, mm, these plants who are there, they will, they want to make food. So when they want to make food, they need so many things. One, they need is sunlight, which they will get from sun's rays. Then what they want from the soil, what they want? Ah, yes, nutrients and water that they will get from soil. But they need one gas. Then only they can make glucose. Ah, yes. They get the carbon dioxide from the air. They get carbon dioxide from the air. After that, they will make C6H12O6, that is glucose. So, with the help of chlorophyll pigment found in the leaf, sunlight, and water, minerals, and carbon dioxide, they can make their food. So, like this, all the carbon dioxide which is there in the air will get reduced. So, you plant more, less carbon dioxide will be there on earth. There is one more reason why carbon dioxide is less on earth. That is because of shelled animals. Sea animals, they some have shells like snail. They produce, yes, they produce shell. This shell is made up of a chemical called calcium carbonate. To make calcium carbonate, again carbon dioxide is required. So that's why in the air the carbon dioxide is less due to these two reasons, mainly because of plants, and then in the sea water. Sea water animals are also called marine animals. Marine means sea water. Okay, so in the textbook when you read they will write marine. So marine animals like snail, then some shelled fishes, corals, yes, whoever produce shell, they are made up of calcium carbonate. Even the starfish is there, no? Even starfish outside there are some projections like this. This is also made of calcium carbonate. So whatever sea animals are there, their skeleton is made of calcium carbonate. So carbon dioxide will be used for this purpose. So that's why, because of these two reasons, yes. Ah, calcium carbonate. I'll write. I thought you have studied it. Calcium, Ca means calcium, okay? And CO3 means carbonate. Good, you asked the doubts, okay? Good. You ask doubt, immediately you will study. If you don't ask doubt, you will never study. Good. Got it now? Calcium carbonate? Ah, good. Next is about one more thing about air. Now, composition of air you studied. Now, next good thing about air. One is air helps us to breathe, that you all know. Another good thing is air can regulate temperature on earth. It can regulate temperature. If this air is not there, means our earth would have been very hot during daytime and very cold during nighttime. We will see how it is. Now, if it is daytime sun's rays falls on the earth's surface. This is the land. So the sun's rays will keep falling on the land. If air is not there here, suppose air is not there here, immediately the land will get heated up. Land will get so much heated up. If it becomes so hot, then how will any animal live there? Nobody will live there. They will all die. If any living thing comes there also, they will die. Similarly, during night time, night time means the sun is not present. Night time, sun is not present. This I am writing and explaining to you. Situation if air is not present, no air. If no air is there, what will happen? If no air is there, the land will get heated up and no living things can live. Similarly, during night time. Night time, this land, since there is no sun means the land will become very cold, ice cold. It will be too cold, so cold that again no life will be present. This is a condition we see on moon. On moon air is not present, so there is no air to regulate the temperature. Then their daytime is very hot. During daytime temperature can go up to 110 degrees celsius. 100 degree itself, no water will boil. So you think about 110 degrees, it will be too hot. That's why no life can be present on moon. Similarly, night time when sun is not there, it gets suddenly cool up. So cold that it falls below 0 degrees, minus 190 degree Celsius. Minus 190 degrees Celsius. That much cold it is. Luckily, we are on Earth. We don't have to worry about this. Earth means air is present. Now we will see what happens. Since on Earth air is present, now this is the land. We have air. Air I will give you a green color. When the sun's rays are coming and falling onto the land, only some rays can come and fall. Why? Because here air is there. Air will not get heated up faster. Air will not allow the land to get heated up faster. Because air is a bad conductor of heat. Since air is a bad conductor of heat, air will not allow land to get heated up. Since air will not allow land to get heated up fast, the land will not get heated up fast, so there is life. Life will be there, we will be there, birds will be there, animals will be there, all will be very happy, right? This is during the daytime. Now we'll see during night time what is this air doing. Night time there is no sun. It's okay. No sun. Land is still there, but air is there. So the morning time air was actually absorbing the heat. Since air was absorbing the heat, air will not lose heat fast. Air will not lose heat fast. So little air will be there to heat up the land. That's why the land will not get cold fast. Land will not get cold fast. So what is the air doing there in the night time? Night heat will not lose fast. Air will not lose the heat, no. So air will be keeping some heat. Morning time it was absorbing, no. So that heat will be there present on the air night time also, during night time. So the land will not get cold fast. That's how the living things or life can live even in the night time. It won't get that much cold. So can you tell me what is the importance of air? How it regulates the temperature? Can you tell me during day and night time? Anybody? Anybody? How air is temperature that you just tell me. During mm, 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 mm. Very good. What is your name? Padmavati, very good. Okay, I'll repeat it once again. How air is regulating the temperature. During daytime, the air will not allow land to get heated up fast. So, since land will not get heated up fast, life will be there. It is easy for life to live. Similarly, in the night time, air will not lose heat also. Air will not lose heat fast. So, the land will be not getting cold fast. Land will not get cold fast. So, land will have warm. Land will be warm enough for the life to exist. So, daytime air will not allow land to get heated up. Nighttime air will not lose the heat fast. So, in both the cases, the land will have normal temperature. It won't get heated up fast like in moon, or it will not get cold fast like in moon during the night time. Is that clear to you, children? Yes. Now, I have posted in Google Classroom. Yes. Yes. Can you tell me you tell me how much you understood during daytime, what will happen, what the air does? Hmm. Yes. Yes, that much only. Correct only. So in the daytime air will not allow the heat to touch so much on the land. Air will not allow the land to get heat up in the daytime. So before the land gets heated up itself, it will become night immediately. No, air will not allow the land to get heated up. In the night time, air will not lose heat. Air will have some heat. So the land will not become fast cold. Land will not get cold fast. Is that clear? Okay. Shall we end the class? Hmm. Ask. Hmm. Hmm. Yes. Land gets heated up faster than water. It gets cold also faster than water. It is because of the air that it is not able to get heat fast and cold fast. Okay. Air is coming on the way. Air is coming on the way. That's why it is not able, land is not getting heat fast or cold fast. Clear? Yes. Yes. In the Google Classroom, I have, wait, I'll show you. Children, can you see? Yes, I have. Wait. Mhm. I have posted that, okay, in the Google Classroom. I have posted today's whatever I have taught now, that I have posted. So that you can see that, and there itself you can attach it. After writing notes, now click an image of your notes and then attach it. Okay. Thank you. Y- Yes. Yes. No, not with portfolio assessment. This is today's assessment, today's assignment. You click today's assignment what I gave, that you click. And then how to attach and all, I have sent a video in WhatsApp, no? Follow that. Follow that. Thank you. Thank you. Take care.